Mindfulness for improved focus. Unleash your inner potential with mindfulness for improved focus. It's a game changer for boosting productivity and mental clarity. This holistic approach is simple yet powerful. It anchors you in the present moment, driving away distractions. By focusing on your breath, you anchor your mind, enhancing concentration. It's the secret to maintaining a laser-sharp focus. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. It's easy to start, and the benefits are immense. Join us on this journey towards an empowered, focused, and mindful existence. Make the change today. Mindfulness for improved focus. Have you ever sat down to work, only to find your mind darting off in 1,000 different directions? This is where mindfulness comes into play. Mindfulness is the art of being completely present in the moment. This mental state can improve focus by allowing us to become more aware of where our attention is being directed. It's like honing a mental spotlight, illuminating what truly matters amidst a stage of distractions. Practicing mindfulness is not about emptying your mind, but rather, it's about controlling where your focus goes. It's about acknowledging distractions without allowing them to steer you off course. One way to achieve mindfulness is through meditative practices. By sitting quietly and focusing on your breath, you can learn to quiet the clamor of your mind, thus sharpening your focus on the task at hand. Another technique is to engage fully with whatever task you're performing, whether it's washing dishes or writing a report. By immersing yourself in the activity, you enable your brain to concentrate more effectively. Let's take a moment to address a common misconception: mindfulness is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a skill that takes practice and patience to hone. And just like any other skill, it gets better with time and consistency. Mindfulness goes beyond just boosting your focus. It can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance overall well-being. It's about developing a deeper understanding of your mind and how it operates. Now, you might be wondering, how does this translate into real-world productivity? Well, imagine being able to cut through the noise of the modern world, focusing solely on the tasks that matter. That's the power of mindfulness. If you're interested in harnessing this power, there are myriad resources available. From guided meditation apps to mindfulness-based stress reduction programs, there's a tool out there for everyone. Remember that mindfulness is not an end goal, but a journey. As you explore this practice, you'll find that the benefits go beyond improved focus. It's a way of living that fosters peace, contentment, and personal growth. In a world where we are constantly bombarded with information and distractions, mindfulness offers a refuge. It provides a way for us to reclaim control of our attention and, by extension, our lives. So why not give it a try? Take a moment each day to practice mindfulness and watch as your focus improves, stress reduces, and life becomes more enjoyable. Mindfulness might just be the game changer you've been looking for.